Welcome back to That Data Nerd, guys. Today I have another lead code question for you. 608 tree node. Um, this is an Amazon tag question that Amazon, in fact, quite asks quite frequently, especially when they have to ask the first question. That is a little bit easier. Then they definitely ask this question a lot. So we have been given a table called tree over here, which only has two columns, ID and PID. ID is the column with unique values for this table, and each row of this table contains information about the ID of a node and the ID of its parent node in a tree. The given structure is always a valid tree. Each node in the tree can be one of three types: leaf, root, or inner. We have to write a solution to report the type of each node in the tree. So if then one has 2 and 3. Then if 2, it has 4 and 5. So 1 becomes root, 2 becomes inner, and 4, 5, and 3 are leaf. Now, how we go about this is, let's just find our to find. To find is, if the ID is root, inner, or child, and we have to write corresponding type against the ID. Now, if um, we have been given one table called tree. It has two columns, ID and PID. PID is essentially the parent ID, immediate parent. The pseudocode for this will be that if the PID for some node is null, then it is the root node. Because obviously, right, the root node 1 doesn't have any parent. If the ID is such that its PID is as an ID in the table, then it is a inner. If else, it is a leaf. Make sense? That if it is root, then it will be null. So this anyways will go away. Now for 2, if the ID is in PID, then it will be a inner. Else always it will be a root. Sorry, leaf. Now just let's flesh it out. From tree, select ID, select case when PID is null, then root, right? That accounts for one case. When ID is in PID from tree, then inner, else leaf, and as type and followed by ID. And now I can go ahead and remove the with CTML. I don't really need it. It has been accepted, and I can go ahead and submit it, and it has been accepted. Great. So this is the solution for this question. If you have any doubts, please feel free to drop in the comments, and I'll be able to solve them. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.